Introducing Q365, a new Salesforce plugin from QKom. What is holding back your sales team from top performance? Well, where they spend their time turns out to be a major factor. Research on Salesforce.com shows that sales reps surprisingly only spend about 28% of their time actually selling. A majority of their time is doing administrative work, including chasing down answers and searching for the right files needed for their deals. As salespeople chase down questions for customers, you'll see a lot of conversations with internal experts in Microsoft Teams chats. Many of these details are crucial to closing business. These chats are like digital gold for your organization, yet the details in them often get lost because the chats come and go and are not searchable from the actual opportunity in Salesforce. You'll also see that salespeople spend too much time searching for files in Sharepoint. We're talking about the latest marketing presentation, sales checklist, or contracts that we know that they'll need for a particular deal. The problem here is a disconnect. That is, Salesforce is the system of record for the sales opportunities, service tickets, and other custom objects, but Microsoft 365 is where lots of work gets done. Microsoft 365 and Salesforce unfortunately do not connect and unfortunately do not work together. What you need is something to increase the percent of time spent selling. Connecting Microsoft 365 and Salesforce together is a big part of this answer. And that's exactly what the Q365 app does. It will connect Salesforce with Microsoft 365 so you can get more business value out of the clouds you already have. Another benefit of Q365 is that it really is just an inexpensive Salesforce plugin and frequently pays for itself by storing files in Sharepoint instead of expensive Salesforce file storage. Let's take a quick look at Q365 in action. Here we are in Salesforce looking at my opportunities. When I click an opportunity, all of the opportunity details are here for me as I expect. I do see a new tab, however, Microsoft Files. These are the files that we're using for this deal, and they live in Sharepoint, and this is what Q365 is doing for me. No more hunting for presentations used on an opportunity. They're right here in the opportunity. I can upload, co-edit, and work with my deal files all through the opportunity, service ticket, or custom object in Salesforce. So this promotes good practices and everyone on the deal has better visibility. It's extremely easy to securely share files with your customers directly from Sharepoint. Here I'm picking up my customer email from a Salesforce contact and sharing a directory of files with this customer, including the one that I just uploaded. Gone are the days of bounced emails because of large attachments. Along with my Sharepoint files, I also have my Teams chat for this deal. Q365 does a great job of keeping everything I need for this deal organized and accessible. Sales, pre-sales, and support can more quickly find deal-related files and chats. The linkage is a configurable and automated process performed by Q365, and it keeps things better organized. It creates proactive deal folders, and you can even populate them with needed files automatically with configurations in Q365. It also works great on mobile, right from the Salesforce mobile app. So Q365 gives time back to your salespeople because it's intuitive to use, and that saves you time and money with its increased efficiency. It gets files out of email, and it promotes a mobile work style. So thank you for watching this. We'd love to speak with you and learn more about the challenges your organization faces and discuss how we could potentially help. Please contact us today at ask@qkom.net.